Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. Myself, Mohit Kumar, GK teachers. Today we will discuss class 7th General Knowledge Part 9. Test to knowledge first. Question number first, true false. First, crocodile is the largest and the heaviest reptile. Crocodile is the largest and heaviest reptile. This statement is true because crocodile is the heaviest and largest reptile. Question number second, stingray is not poisonous. This statement is false because stingray is a poisonous. Question number 3, German Shepherd is a police dog as it is very intelligent. German Shepherd is a police dog as it is very intelligent. Yes, true. Question 4. Talipot swans produce a small flower throughout of the year. This statement is false. Question 5. Moon rat is found in Australia. Statement is also false. Moon rat is found in Australia. This statement is false. 6. Spider monkey uses its tail to lift object. Yes, this statement is true. Spider monkey uses its tail to lift object. Question number 7. Morning glory is a creeper. This statement is false. Not a creeper. Okay. Morning glory. Question number 8. Golden temple is in Punjab. Yes, Golden Temple in Punjab, Amritsar. So this statement is true. Fill in the blanks. So first, M.S. Subbulakshmi was a dash. M.S. Subbulakshmi was a musician. M.S. Subbulakshmi was a musician. Question second, Nelson Mandela belongs to dash. He fought against color discriminant. Nelson Mandela belongs to South Africa. He fought against color discriminant. Question number 3. Bismillah Khan was an expert in Shehnai. Bismillah Khan was an expert in Shehnai. Question number 4. Patola saris are found in dash region of India. Patola saris are found in western region of India. Question 5. Name the first lady IPS officer. Name the first lady IPS officer. Kiran Bedi. You feel Kiran Bedi. Question number 6. Narmada Bachao Andolan was started by dash. Narmada Bachao Andolan was started by Midha Patkar. You feel Midha Patkar. Question number 7. Japan is a country where volcanoes are very active. Japan is a country where volcanoes are very active because in Japan there are so many volcanoes active. Next MCQ question means choose the right option. Question first. Cathedrals of St. John is situated in dash. Here the wrong option. The correct option is New York, Islamabad and Germany. The correct option A, New York. Cathedral as of St. John's is situated in New York City. Question number 2. This city was destroyed by the atom bomb. Option A, Waterloo. Option B, Islamabad. Option C, Hiroshima. The correct option, option C, Hiroshima. City was destroyed by atom bomb. Question number 3. Martial art that originated in Japan is called A, Sumo. B, Javelin. C, Judo. The correct option is Judo. Judo martial art originated in Japan. The Golden Gate Bridge is situated in Francisco, Japan, Switzerland. The correct option San Francisco. The Golden Gate Bridge is situated in San Francisco. Question Question fifth. Mechanical energy is converted to electricity in dash. Windmill, solar cell, generator. The correct option is generator. Mechanical energy is converted to electricity in generator. Directors Gallery. Of film directors given below are famous for their unique filmmaking styles. That is why have become so popular. First, popularly known as the showman, this actor, director and producer of film had a great fan following outside India like Russia, Africa, Middle East, etc. His acting reminded of Charlie Chaplin. The film मेरा नाम जोकर. The name of this actor's film मेरा नाम जोकर. जिस देश में गंगा बहती है. The name of this actor Raj Kapoor. Here the Raj Kapoor. The name of this actor Raj Kapoor. Second, actor, director, producer, film known for some picturization. His film had some special message to deliver. Popular one are प्यासा, कागज के फूल. The name of this actor's very famous movie. The name of this actor Guru Dutt. Question number 3. This Indian director has directed Hindi film and Telugu film of various types, thrillers, horror films and romantic as well. Hit one are Satya, Bhoot, Sarkar, etc. The name of this famous director Ram Gopal Varma. Picture of Ram Gopal Varma. Next question. He is a honorary Oscar winner in 1992. He is all-in-one director, producer, writer, cameraman, music composer, and so on. He has given many hit films like Upper Trilogy. The name of great personality Satyajit Roy. Question number 4. She is a British film director of Indian origin. She is very famous for her film Bride and Prejudice, Bhaji on the Beach, etc. The main theme is life of an Indian in UK. The name of this great personality Gurvinder Chadha. Question number 6. His movie are the top grossing movie of all times. Justice, Jurassic Park, E.T., The Extraterrestrials are some of the hits. Animated and Schindler's List are his awarded winning work. The name of this great personality Steven Spielberg. Question number 7. He is the creator of several landmark films using computer technology in his epic saga Star Wars. He was produced the breathtaking special effect in this film. The name of this director George Lucas. Question number 8. He is a director from Japan who directed Seven Samurai and Ram movie. The name of this great director Akira Kurosawa. Around the world British theatres. First, this theatre occupies 3 modern theatres on the south of London and present a mixture of modern drama, classics and musical. The name of this theatre is the Royal National Theatre. Question number 2. This famous theatre, situated in the west of London, is the home of modern English drama. The premiere of the looked back in anger. In 1956 was held here. The name of this theatre, the Royal Court Theatre. The Royal Court Theatre. Question number 3. This theatre in Scarborough presents the premieres of every Ella Acheborn play. The name of this theatre, the Stephen Joseph Theatre. The Stephen Joseph Theatre. In your book given help given, you can easily to see. Question 4. Dash is in London West End is the home of the English National Opera. The name of this theatre, the Coliseum. The Coliseum. Question number 5. In this theatre, situated in London, the work of Shakespeare is displayed. It operates from both the Barbican Centre in the city and Stratford-upon-Avon, the birthplace of the Shakespeare. The name of this theatre, the Royal Shakespeare Theatre. The name of this theatre, the Royal Shakespeare Theatre. Question 6. This theatre in the south of London in an accurate reconstruction of Elizabeth Theatre. Reconstruction of Elizabeth Theatre. The name of this theatre, the Global Theatre. The name of theatre, the Global Theatre. Question number 7. Dash in London Covent Garden presents both the Royal Opera and Royal Ballet Companies. The name of this theatre, the Royal Opera House. Thanks. Hopefully you understand all content of this video. All students write on your copy and learn them. If you face any problem, call me. My number 8840156170. Thank you.